First things first, you're going to get your design on Photoshop and make the dimensions 450 width by 450 height pixels. Print it off onto some printable sticker paper. Any will do as long as it's the right size. This is my design here. I've already cut out my design, as you can see already. You'll need a pair of scissors if you need to cut out your design, that is. You need your plain Popsocket. You can find these from wholesalers or on eBay somewhere. You can just get plain ones anywhere you want. You'll need some modpodge, which you can just get off Amazon. Just some cheap foam brushes you can get from any store really, any arts and crafts store, or online of course. We're going to want to put your Mod Podge into a small tub. I put a little bit too much for myself, so as long as you've got a lid you can seal it up and use it another time. Put the sticky design onto the Popsocket carefully. Once it's stuck on, you just want to get your foam brush and a little bit of Mod Podge and brush it on in the same direction. You want to be careful with it because sometimes there'll be lines, and once it dries you'll see the lines on the design, but as long as you're careful you'll be fine. You want to make sure you get all the edges, and here is my final design.